Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to enable and disable hotkeys, or you can call them function keys, on your Dell Inspiron laptops, and this would work on other versions. In my case here, I have the Dell Inspiron 3000 model. So when I'm talking about this function key here, and sometimes you have to hold it and click F2 to get other functions. In my case here, if you want to increase brightness, you have to click Fn and also click this button so that you can access this other function that you see down below. So whenever you click on Fn, it means you want to extend functionalities of your keyboard so that you can access the other functions like increasing the light on that screen. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you that how to enable it and how to disable it for some of you who want to disable it, or for some of you who want to enable it. So I'm going to power on, and I'll go ahead and click F2. So F2 will take me to the BIOS system. So in the BIOS system, I'm going to go ahead and look for, I'm going to be using a mouse. I'm going to be able to look for post behavior. And I click on this plus sign. This will give me other functions. And I'll see FN lock options. So on FN lock options, it will take me to other versions here. I'm going to go ahead and enable this from here, the checkbox, and then I'll apply this for the settings. So in order to get my function keys to see if they are working, I'm going to hold Fn and F12 to show you that my keyboard, the Fn key, is able to reduce the light on the screen, as you can see. So this is the functionality of this. It extends the other functions, as you have seen here. I have the light to increase the brightness of the screen. So this is how you enable it. I also have other options here. You can try them out. So this was just a short video on how to enable hotkeys and function keys on your Dell laptops, and this would work on other versions, even other brands of laptops. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, share, and also comment. Click the bell icon. I'm going to stop from here. Have a nice time. Goodbye.